Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Love what you drive. In front of us is yet another product unboxing review. This video is not sponsored by Zethors, YouTube, Amazon, or any other third-party affiliates, but the folks at Zethors did reach out to me and said, would you be willing to make a video on this product, on this smart air pump, and we will send it to you free of charge. I agreed, and so here we are. I'm not going to take up too much time, but let's get right into it. So as we can see on the box here, it just has a picture of the pump. It is a Zethors Smart Air Pump Model S9. On the side here, it says car inflation, motorcycle, bicycle, and ball inflation. Out here has all the specs of what it can do. And right here on the other side, it says smart chip, no potential safety hazard, rating 10 of intelligent protection, and bearing temperatures of -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140. Let's get into the box and let's see what's inside. Just your typical cardboard box. Inside is this kind of like a material yet hard shell cover with a strap. Zipper seems to be pretty sturdy. Love the little red design. So what's in the box? Let's go ahead and go through all the accessories that it comes with. First, so you do have these 3 packs or 3 packets. We'll start with all the nozzles. So it comes with 4 nozzles plus the one that's already attached to the hose. So you get these 2 nozzles to maybe inflate any type of inflatables, maybe swimming pools, those little swimming pools, inflatable toys, maybe blow up mattresses. Then you have this adapter for whatever you might be needing it, and of course the needle to pump up balls and any type of inflatables that uses this kind of nozzle. Let's get rid of this. Also, this is a wireless unit, so they do give you a Type-C cord or a wire that you can charge this thing up. It is battery powered, it's wireless. No more plugging it into your car's cigarette lighter output or anything like that. So you do have this, it's pretty long. I'd say it's probably a good 2, maybe almost 3 feet long. The key feature in this air pump is the hose. So right now it goes from side to side. This is a 20-inch long hose. Just reading on their Amazon website, they are making a statement about this. This is a 20-inch hose, a 50-centimeter hose. Why is that important? Because when you are out and about, when you are doing, let's say your tire goes flat, and the air nozzle, the stem of the air nozzle, let's say is on top of the tire or on top of the wheel, just the way you're parked, your tire went flat. I've had to put the hose on or screw it on and let the pump hang there and kind of hit the wheel as it vibrates to blow up the tire. No more is needed of that. This is a long enough hose. I'm glad that it's this long. Sometimes it gets frustrating at where you gotta reach or where you gotta put the pump in order to pump up your bike, motorcycle, or your car tire. So thumbs up on this longer 20-inch hose. Let's take a look at what else is in here. You got your instruction manual or your user manual. It just kind of tells you everything you need to know what's in here. So that's that, and it is a 6-in-1 pump. It's a 6-in-1. Why? What 6-in-1? So let's take a look at this 6-in-1. Wow, this is actually really nice. It's sturdy. It's heavy. It is plastic. It's got these holes drilled out, probably for fan and cooling. So we're gonna go ahead and peel that off. Very satisfying. Let's go ahead and turn this thing on. 3 seconds on the power button. Nice, and we are in business. Okay, so it is tire inflation, pressure monitoring. It is a power bank, and it's a LED lighting and SOS warning light. And this thing has all of those things. So let's take a look on top right here. Up here we got a USB plug. So if you want to charge your phone, charge your GoPro, charge your camera, charge whatever you need to charge, you got a plug there, and you got the Type-C plug right here to charge this unit. Let's go ahead and turn it on again. So it's on. We see that it's 0 and it's preset to 32 psi. If we push the plus, you can see that it goes all the way up to 160 psi. Now the claim is on the website, it can inflate your SUV tire up to 4 times. That is pretty impressive. So we got the plus and minus here. Then if you push this, this will switch the modes around. So now it's just a different PSIs, and it tells you the car, a bike, or a bicycle, and the ball, car, motorcycle, bicycle, ball. What else? The light. It is a LED light, and there's also, if you push it again, it's got that SOS flashing style light. I'm going to turn it on so that you can hear how it works. I'm going to just set it down. It will be pretty loud. And there you go. There you have it. Now, let's say you want to plug your phone in. We're going to go ahead and do that. Here's my phone. Boom. Charging. So anyways, all that's left to do now is take it outside and give it a shot on what it does. Okay guys, now you can see. All right guys, now that we are outside, I want to show you that I intentionally let some air out of the tire, and it is pretty flat. As you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and set up the camera on the tripod so that I can show you how this pump operates and how it works. Okay, so here we are. I'm gonna go ahead and so this could be an instance as the weather is getting colder. You may come outside and you see your tire a little bit flat because when cold air hits, then tires seem to go flat and your batteries seem to start dying. And this is exactly what I was talking about when I said that the nozzle for the tire is on top, not down here or down here, but on top of the wheel is the way the wheel sits. So we're just gonna go ahead and take this out. I'm gonna screw this on. Okay, 3 seconds to power on. Now my car, for these wheels, because they are aftermarket, calls for 35 psi for the tire pressure. So I am gonna go ahead and turn this up to 35 psi. So now it's giving me a reading. We're at about 5 psi, about 5.5 psi. So I'm going to turn it on And I'll move the camera so we can see it get pumped up. Okay guys, so that literally took about, I would say 3 or 4 minutes. Okay guys, so going from 5 psi to 35 psi was literally like 3 or 4 minutes of pumping the pump in the tire. As you can see now, it's pumped up, it's no longer flat. So that was pretty impressive, I would say, even compared to going to like a gas station or something along those lines. This thing definitely pulled through and pumped up the tire. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a video of it pumping up my daughter's bicycle tire. Now that we've tested the car tire and we inflated it, and it was a successful about 4 minutes, maybe 3 minutes, from 5 psi all the way up to 35 psi. I remembered my daughter has this old bike, and I was gonna go look to see if there's flat tires on it, and you can see it is completely flat, the front and the back. I'm gonna go ahead and just focus on the front tire right now. Like I said, it is flat, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this cap off, and we're gonna give it a go with the pump. Got it. Okay, same nozzle as for the cars, and hold it for 3 seconds. Now it's on. Let's see if you can barely see it. Okay, so again, super flat. I'm gonna set this to, the tire says 40 psi maximum. That sounds a little too extreme. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on 20 psi. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Auto shut off. Okay, that is fully pumped. You know what? I'm gonna do the back tire as well. Let's do it real quick. That was really quick, actually. Yep, fully pumped. Okay. 20 psi, fully pumped. Well, there you go. This bike is ready to be ridden. Okay guys, I just wanted to demonstrate the abilities of also the Zethors air pump at night. It's right here in my hand. You can't see it because it is dark outside, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Hold it for 3 seconds, and the LED display comes on, and you can see how clear it is. You can read it definitely very good. I switch the PSIs for the amount of pressure. You can see it, but also I wanted to do this at night to show you the ability of the flashlight that it also comes with it. So here we go. The top button was for the flashlight. There you go. It's a LED light. And now, even if you are stranded and you need some light to find whatever, there's definitely light. You can see it's pretty bright. I mean, it's not the brightest, but it does definitely give you a sense of a light. Push that button again and you have the SOS, like a flash like a emergency light if you needed to do something on the side of the road or something along those lines. That way people can see you. The other interesting part, if you can see that it says half a battery used. I actually went around earlier today when I was making the video, and they checked every tire pressure. And for these wheels, for the 17-inch wheels, it does call for 35 psi pressure for them. As I walked around, my front ones were around 26, 27 psi. So I ended up using this, bumping them up to 35. All four tires were lower than what they asked for, and it pumped up all four tires. I pumped up the 2 tires on my daughter's bike. I've been kind of just playing with it with the flashlight and just checking things, and it's still at half a battery. I love how readable this is, legible the display is, and when we turn it on, the little light runs around indicating that it's working. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this review here. I am pleased with just the first day of unboxing and playing with this. I will definitely kind of keep it in my car, see what else I can use it for, and then maybe give it in-depth review, or maybe do a giveaway. So stay tuned. Definitely pleased with this. I like the fact that it does have a charging port, does have a light, and it's pretty versatile. 6-in-1. Thanks for tuning in to Love What You Drive. See you in the next one. Thank you, Zethors.